How to replace the front castors on your Henry Hoover. Now this is an absolute breeze and you can do it in less than a minute. So if you've been battling for hours trying to remove what's left of your old wheel, this is a video for you. I'm going to show you how to remove the old one even if there's nothing left, and then obviously how to fit your brand new one. All you're going to need for this repair is a hammer and then the castors, which are available on the link in the description. Firstly, before we get onto that, there are two different sizes of castors. If your Henry has a skirt around the tub like this one, you will need a 50mm one. However, if you have the standard Henry tub without the skirt around it, you will need a 40mm wheel. Just make sure you're buying the correct size. So let's start by showing you how to remove your old wheel. Now on the smaller one, he's not got damaged wheels. It's going to be nice and easy. You put your hammer like so, and then pull up and the wheel comes off. On the bigger one, his wheel is damaged, but if you're using a hammer, it still comes out really easy, even if you've just got the metal pin left. Again, you're putting it under it and then prising it up like so. Now to fit your new castors, these are just push fit. If you're struggling, just spray the hole with a little bit of silicone spray and that will help you out. We're putting in the castor just for the first bit, and then on the last bit, we just put all our weight on it and it clicks into position. Exactly the same for the big ones. That one actually went in really easy, loads easier than the other. I think it might be luck of the draw with this, but definitely the silicone spray will help you out if you're struggling with that last bit. I do hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more Henry help videos. This next one, however, is because I've been getting a bit of grief this week for calling him a Henry Hoover, and I'm not sorry for that. This is why.